Finals, match 2 underway. Red Alliance looking to put this one in the books. Starts off with a miss from Jack in the Bot here in the autonomous period. That piece of coral not landing where they'd like. Second one good for 7. Alliance partners 7 of their own, and there was another 7-pointer I missed along the way, totaling 30 points once you add in all the mobility bonuses across that alliance. And drivers will now take controls. Blue Alliance down by 20 now. Robototes and Xbot getting quick to work to try and catch up some of that difference. Robototes will move some algae out of the way. That's the 24-12 machine you see nearest the Alliance wall. They're tossing all of this algae out of their center reef, making some room for Xbot, that 488 machine, to roll in and start placing down the coral. There's one. In comes another one from Robototes. Very quick cycle up and at them. They drop the algae out of their way and drop the coral for 5. In comes another one from Xbot. 5 more, and we are rapidly running out of real estate on top of this Blue Alliance reef. Largely similar story over here on Red. That top row is completely full now after that contribution from Jack in the Bot, 29-10. They'll now begin populating the level 3 of the Red Alliance reef. Red Alliance up by about 50 points, and we have 949 Wolverine Tortuga over here on a piece of algae in red turf. So the Blue Alliance designated defender down for the count until they can wedge themselves free. Red Alliance's defender is Sentinel Prime over here for Red, also almost getting stuck on some algae. They're able to break free. They slam on the brakes before they're able to get stuck. 50 seconds left to play in the match. Blue Alliance just completed the top row of the Blue Alliance reef. 5 more points out of the Alliance score. 4 more there from the level 3 from Robototes. 4 more from Xbot. Here comes 4 more from Robototes. Back and forth will go as these two do their best to dig their way out of what is currently still a 50-point deficit as the Red Alliance continues to build this reef. Jack in the Bot bored with reef building now, too much of the same thing, and now they're going to move on to dunking algae up on top of the barge. 2 of them so far for 4 points each, placed in the Red Alliance half of the barge. Jack in the Bot up for 12, climbing up on that deep cage. Here comes their Alliance partners. It's Miso Mechanics out of Seattle, parked in the barge zone for 2. They're going to just skip the shallow barge completely, and the Robototes decide to just put an entire dent in the side of their robot, mashing through the shallow cage in the Blue Alliance barge zone. We'll be back with final tallies for finals match 2 in just a moment.
We can make it through anything.
Results have been finalized for finals match number 2 here at the Sammamish District event. Congratulations to our district event champions, the Red Alliance. Alliance won 172 points to the Blue Alliance's 118. That's a 2 and done for Alliance 1, captained by Jack in the